The muse has left, and the talented musicians are in creative crisis. Nothing calms one down and fills with inspiration better than fresh air, watching nature, and of course the ethnicity. The light sound of the acoustic guitar playing along with the ancient Kazakh musical instruments fills up the souls of the musicians and inspire them for the creation of new melodies and compositions. Today, Johnny Gas and Serik Nurmoldayev are setting off for a music trip to the sunny city of Shymkent. The origin of each musical instrument with the ancient nomads is not less interesting than the tales of their life. Through legends, the information about the Kazakh harp came to us throughout the centuries. The harp with a beautiful name, Aderna. Its shape reminds us of a military bow. As the legend says, the ancient warlike tribes of the Saks and the Huns made rest for themselves after long travel. The warriors pulled strings of their bows and played on them. The melodies coming from such an instrument helped the soldiers relax and gain strength. This instrument became so popular with the ancient warriors that people started to give it shapes of different animals. For the Turkic nations, the Aderna has been known for a very long time. Several kinds of this instrument were found during the archaeological excavations at the territory of Kazakhstan. The way of playing this instrument reminds one of the harp.
Hi, I'm Johnny Gas and we are here in the southern city of Kazakhstan. This place is called Shymkent.
Hi everyone, I'm Serik Nurmoldayev. I'm a member of the folklore and ethnographic ensemble Turan. And today we came after inspiration to the sunny city of Shymkent. One of the famous landmarks of Shymkent is the monument of Baidibek Batır.
Baidibek Batır.
Baidibek Batır. Well, he was not only a warrior but also a famous bee.
He was who?
Bee, the ruler.
Okay.
He was famous among people for his justice and wisdom, and people made a monument for him. By the way, it's the tallest monument in Kazakhstan.
Let's sing a song for him.
Let's do it.
Yeah? Let's do the song that we all, you and me and everybody in Kazakhstan will sing. Yeah?
I think I know what you want to sing about.
You know what I'm thinking?
I mean the song you want to sing.
There comes a time when we hear a certain call and the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone, somewhere will soon make a change. As God has shown us, so by turning stones to bread. So let's all lend a helping hand. We are the world, we are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. Oh, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day. Serik, you and me. Bravo! He's making a change, we're making a little change here.
It came out well, thank you.
Yeah, just having a lovely time. In the sun, green grass, yeah, in the middle of winter. Isn't that fantastic? Shymkent, here we are.
Johnny, behind you is a monument for the 505th anniversary of the Kazakh Khanate. We celebrated it not so long ago.
In the Kazakh Khan store, what is that?
Well, it's...
Okay, the Khanship or the kingship of the Kazakhstan, yeah?
Yes, you got it right. True. Such monuments were opened in many cities to celebrate this great date. One of such monuments is here in Shymkent. Do it, Johnny.
Proud to you.
That was a real improvisation. Why did you get such a theme? Interesting.
Well, it's like life after death. I mean, life after life, you could say. It has to be something crazy.
Wow, amazing.
Something out of the world.
That was a great improvisation.
Let's go on.
Let's go. Johnny, on my right you can see a monument to the Great Silk Road. The caravan way that was made in the 2nd century BC and used to export silk from China. Well, mostly it's a trade road.
Right. I can see this camel is carrying loads of goods on the Silk Route.
And of course you see the ancient cities. There it's written in Istijab, Shymkent.
Hey, this is Shymkent, man. Yeah, we are here.
We're here. I asked him and he agreed to take us to the Philharmonia.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Have we come? Have we arrived? I think we arrived. There's a Philharmonia there.
The Philharmonia is that way.
Okay. Are you ready?
Я созвонился, как всегда, со своими друзьями. Они нас уже здесь ждут.
I called my friends. They are waiting for us already. My friends are musicians, and today they would like to show you one more interesting musical instrument called aderna. I think in Karaganda I once promised to tell you about it. And now we got a chance to listen to it.
Wonderful. Let's jam. Come.
Let's go.
Very good. Very good. You're very good. It's really working. Thank you very much. Thank you.
How did you like the instrument?
Very good. Good fun, good fun. Lovely. Thanks, man. That was great.
Джонни, мы с тобой прибыли в парк независимости.
Johnny, you and I arrived to the Park of Independence of the Republic of Kazakhstan. It is located in Shymkent, and it's a new park in this city.
I like the flag.
Yes, there's a very big flag here.
And Kazakhstan, as you promised.
I like it too. Remember, right? We have already covered some part of Kazakhstan.
What would you like to play?
Let's play something about freedom, about independence.
Freedom. Freedom is your birthright, and it's mine too. Sweet freedom for me and you. India or Kazakhstan, wherever you may be, you gotta have freedom. Freedom for me and you. And all the children sing. They sing freedom for everyone, yeah. And they sing freedom for everyone under the sun.
Very beautiful.
It was just happened. This song just happened.
Improvisation, pure improvisation about freedom.
And the beautiful Kazakhstan, the beautiful flag, the lovely city of Shymkent, and we're in Kazakhstan, of course.
I'm very glad you liked Kazakhstan.
I love this place.
But we haven't finished our music trip yet.
Are we going to have some more?
Of course.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ну и побывав в Чимкенте, Джонни, обязательно нужно попробовать.
Well, being in Shymkent, you have to try the famous Shymkent kebab that is well known all over Kazakhstan.
The Shymkent barbecue on skewers, and it's famous all over Kazakhstan.
Yes.
That's what I understand. Yeah.
They are very good. I'll try to help you. Oh, I noticed you learned to sit like a real Kazakh.
As long as there's something underneath here.
That's the tricky part.
The meatballs.
Try it. Do you like it?
Well, it's got nice spices in it.
Is it any different from other kebabs?
Very different, very different. It's got spices in it and very tastes great. Wonderful.
Well, as you said, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
The underground cave Aknichet, one of the most beautiful places in South Kazakhstan region. This cave is a unique natural landmark, not only due to its size, but also to the amazing shape. There are many legends about it. According to one legend, women and children hid in it during the Dzungar invasion. Another legend says that in the old times, this was a dragon's cave that attacked people and cattle. When the dragon would spread his wings, he would touch the cave sides and made it wider little by little. But once Prophet Suleiman came to this land and set the monster on chain. The legend does not say how long the dragon lived after that, but there is still the place where he slept. It is the little hill in the very center of the cave, under the opening where sunbeam can reach. What's unique about it is that there are no trees for miles around this place outside, but the cave has a real oasis in it. Isn't it a concert hall?
Красиво.
You just have to do rehearsals here. It's an amazing place for a musician.
This was the room for a dragon. I got just a song for you.
For a dragon?
Hey, let's sing it to the dragon.
Let's
Okay?
do it.
And his friends.
Let's do it.
All right. If you're leaving, close the door. I'm not expecting people anymore. Hear me grieving, lying on the floor. Whether if I'm drunk or dead, I really ain't sure. I'm a blind man. I'm a blind man. And my world is spare. When the blind man cries, Lord, oh, you know, there ain't a sight to tell. Let's hear you, Serik. Had a friend but it ended much too soon. In that coma, in that room, I found the reasons for the things we had to do. Don't worry, Mike. My room is cold. When the blind man cries, Lord, you know he's grieving in his soul.
Bravo.
Bravo to you, my friend. So I hope the dragon, wherever he is right now, before he comes back.
And with these great acoustics, I want to say,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen, the legendary Johnny Kessler was playing for you tonight.
The dragon and his friends.
Yes,
So what are these pyramids about? These pyramids are made of by people, yes?
yes, people build this pyramid by themselves.
I see the little ones. You see the little ones here? There's one here, one there, all around us. Pyramids.
People say each stone has the spirit,
Okay.
and they build the pyramids on purpose using these stones.
So how about finding us a little rock and make and just make a little pyramid, yes? If you don't mind. Let's find a few stones.
Take bigger stones, Johnny.
Never mind, it's just getting a few stones together and putting together a little pyramid. I think one has been crushed here, so I will continue this.
Let me help you too.
Come.
Did you hear it?
Yes, what was that?
That's why you need hard hats
Oh, I
here.
see. The rocks are falling here.
Yes,
So you see, we finished the pyramid and the rock fell. That means something's good is going to happen.
that's right. For good luck. Hello, my dear friends. Today we visited the very beautiful and sunny city of Shymkent. It will remain in my memory forever. Especially I like the real underground cave. It's huge and mysterious. Again, Serik and I had some very beautiful compositions. See you soon, my friends.
Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. And down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I raised a lot of cane back in my younger days, while Mama used to pray my crops would fail. Now I'm a lonesome fugitive with just 2 ways. I'll run the law and spend my life in jail. I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. The fugitive must be a rolling stone. Oh, oh, down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home.